Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're putting your grammar knowledge to the test with 40 fun questions. Think you can get a perfect score? Let's find out. 1. Which of the following is the correct sentence? She goes to the store. Tips: the verb should match the singular subject she. 2. Choose the correct form of the verb. I have finished my homework. Tips: use have with past participles in the present perfect tense. 3. Identify the correct sentence. He doesn't like pizza. Tips: use doesn't for third-person singular negative sentences. 4. Which sentence is correct? She was reading a book when I called. Tips: past continuous shows actions happening at a specific past time. 5. Which one is the correct question? Does she like to play soccer? Tips: use does for third-person singular questions. 6. Choose the correct option. He will go to the party. Tips: after will, use the base verb form. 7. Identify the correct sentence. They were playing football. Tips: past continuous tense uses was or were plus the verb ing. 8. Which sentence is grammatically correct? I read the book yesterday. Tips: use simple past for actions completed at a specific past time. 9. Choose the correct word. She is smarter than her brother. Tips: use smarter without more as a comparative adjective. 10. Select the correct sentence. I will finish my work soon. Tips: will is followed by the base verb form. 11. Choose the correct sentence. He can play the piano. Tips: can is followed by the base verb form. 12. Which one is correct? I would like to go to the movies. Tips: use the base verb form after to. 13. Select the grammatically correct sentence. She can sing well. Tips: after can, use the base verb form. 14. Choose the correct sentence. I have never visited this place before. Tips: present perfect uses never for past experiences. 15. Which of the following is correct? He told that he would be late. Tips: use would in reported speech for the past. 16. Identify the correct sentence. I am enjoying this movie. Tips: use am with the present participle for continuous tense. 17. Choose the correct form. If I were you, I would go to the event. Tips: use were for unreal past conditions. 18. Which sentence is correct? She was angry because I was late. Tips: use past tense for actions before another past action. 19. Choose the correct sentence. He has worked here for 5 years. Tips: use for with periods of time in present perfect. 20. Identify the correct sentence. She can play the guitar. Tips: can is followed by the base verb form. 21. Which sentence is correct? I don't know where she is. Tips: use do not plus the base verb in negative sentences. 22. Select the correct form. She will visit her grandmother tomorrow. Tips: use will plus the base verb form. 23. Choose the correct sentence. There are many people in the room. Tips: use are with plural nouns. 24. Which of the following is correct? Neither of the boys is coming. Tips: neither is singular, so use is. 25. Choose the correct sentence. The books are on the table. Tips: use are for plural nouns. 26. Pick the correct sentence structure. She goes to school. Tips: subject-verb agreement is important for sentence structure. 27. Pick the correctly punctuated sentence. Where are you going? Tips: questions end with a question mark. 28. The movie was very. Interesting. Tips: interesting describes something's quality. 29. The police, looking for the missing person. Were. Tips: police is plural. 30. She said she finished her work. Had. Tips: use had in reported speech for actions finished before the report. 31. He is very with his work. Satisfied. Tips: satisfied describes how someone feels. 32. If I, a bird, I would fly. Were. Tips: use were in conditional sentences for unreal present situations. 33. Despite tired, he continued working. Being. Tips: use being after despite to show a continuous state. 34. Could I have some, please? Meat. Tips: meat is uncountable, but steaks are countable. 35. There are several of research on this topic. Pieces of research. Tips: research is uncountable, pieces of research makes it quantifiable. 36. She has a lot of about different countries. Information. Tips: information is uncountable, data can be singular or plural. 37. We need to buy 2 of toothpaste. Tubes. Tips: tubes are countable, but toothpastes is non-standard. 38. She has a great for music. Passion. Tips: passion is uncountable, passions refers to many strong feelings. 39. They had a lot of during their trip. Fun. Tips: fun is uncountable, happiness is related but different. 40. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't like coffee. Tips: use doesn't with singular subjects. How many did you get right? Share your results in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more grammar quizzes. Keep practicing and see you in the next one.